everyone, I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today we'll speak about taxes. Taxes, it's more important to know, especially for someone who is opening company here or planning to live or to work here. So if you are, let's go to the board. First of all, you should know taxable object. What does taxable object mean? Taxable object, it means объект налогообложения. So, объект налогообложения, you know now. And now let's see how much you should pay and how it's different between your country. So, VAT, we are paying if we have a company here. VAT, НДС, налог на добавленную стоимость. We are paying 20%. Налог на добавленную стоимость, НДС. VAT, value added tax. So, but we are paying federal tax service for the water, for the road. Also, we should pay. But most important and maybe most interesting to know that we should pay personal income. Personal income, подоходный налог. Подоходный налог, we should pay 13% from your salary. 13%. Be ready at that day when you have your salary and go in for the manicure or to buy some t-shirt for you. You should be ready that it's not all your $500 or $1,000. So should be enough for the manicure. Okay, joking. So let's move on. GDT, so gross domestic product. It's a bit different part of our speech. So we call it ВВП. ВВП. So from this topic, we should move to three so important issues for us. Okay, you should know what does quota mean. Quota, you know, it's a 3 months. 3 months. Every 3 months we are paying tax, and you need to know about this if you are in Russia, if you have the company in Russia, and if your accountant will ask you, are you ready for paying tax? Okay, quota means квартал. Квартал. We have first, second, third, первый, второй, третий, кварталы. We are paying every 3 months. So at these 3 months we should pay VAT also. But if you are owner of the company, you should know that personal income tax you should pay every month because you are paying for your employees every month. What about deflation and inflation? So инфляция и дефляция. Both, it's not good for your country, for our country. If it's something in the middle, it's better for us. Because when it's inflation, we don't have money to buy some product which we need. But when deflation, maybe we have, but we can't find the product because a big company can't produce it. So let it be in the middle for both of us. Currency we have at every country. When you are traveling, you know, currency, we have everywhere these words, In Russia, we can see valuta. Valuta. It means you can change your money on Russian rubles or vice versa. At this place, we have it not just in a bank. You can see at some special places, like I think everywhere in the world. And last but not least, the word budget. Budget. For me, as the owner of the company, I can say it's more important word. Why? Because you are planning your budget and how to spend your money at the 3 months, at this quarter, kvartal, or on a whole year. So be ready when you're opening here a company or planning to come here for living, or maybe just to improve your skills or knowledges, to be intelligent person. So bye, see you.